Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particularly, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. It really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a wet dry vac that's designed specifically for kind of pools and also ponds, water fountains, anything where you're trying to get a lot of dirt and grime. It is by a company called VEVOR. They sent this over and it's really absolutely cool. Like I said, especially for like waterfalls and ponds. So everything you're going to get once you open this up, you're going to get a ton of parts and pieces. It's going to have everything you need. First off, you'll notice it looks like a standard wet and dry vacuum. Very easy to open. There is some clamps on either side, and then you have the motor in the middle. Now you're going to have this nice kind of basket here that's going to collect and keep the motor nice and clean from getting the gunk. And then you're going to have a large reservoir, which is where all the sludge and everything will go. On the front side, you're going to have a opening, which is where you will be able to put in the hose that allows the water to flow out. And that's going to be this little gray hose right here. Give you an idea of this hose, it is about 6.5 feet long. So you have plenty of room to dump this back into like a waterfall or a pond. And then they also include a little attachment piece that you can put over the end to collect any possible loose debris that comes out, additional sludge or leaves or anything like that. Then you're going to have your vacuum tube, which obviously is longer. The vacuum tube is about 13 feet long. Very easy. You're going to plug it in right on the front of the device. And then you're going to have this little angled piece here at the top. And what's nice about this is it comes with a ton of attachments. So first off, you're going to get this nice long kind of squeegee attachment. You have big areas. So where I like to use this, for example, is my pool has a light shelf, which none of the cleaners can get to because it only has a little bit of water. This is great for cleaning that. It can get up any of the sand or anything that the kids bring in from the sandbox. Makes it very easy, and it has a rotating nozzle, so that way you can get any angle you need to. Then in addition to that, you are going to get what I would call your typical vacuum cleaner, great for getting in nooks and crannies. Obviously it's smaller, so it has a little bit stronger pressure. Works great in waterfall applications. You're also going to get a standard brush one with a little oval end. Once again, also works great in nooks and crannies, especially being able to brush up and stir up any sediment. And then you're going to get what I would call the sludge one. This is a little bit narrower, so it can basically, it's easier to get into small places. And then it has this adjustable end piece, so you can adjust how far open it is. So if you have a lot more sludge, you can fully open it. Or if you have a little bit, then you don't have to have it as wide open. And they both all just easily slide on the end of the applicator. In addition to that, it's going to include 4 long extensions. Each one of these is about 17.5 inches. So like I said, if you have a pond or something like that, you can get this really far out and be able to get farther away, so that way you're not sludging through the water yourself, which is another nice aspect. Now, obviously, all this is going to be covered in the user manual that you're going to get. It's going to tell you all extra little features, but I'm going to go over all the parts here. And then they also include a nether filter. Now, give you an idea about the motor itself. So it is a 14,000 or 1,400 watt motor. That container tank is approximately about 30 liters of capacity, but it's big enough to easily cut through, like I said, any of that sludge and leaves and gunk. So that way you're not constantly having to empty it. Once it's all done, then you can easily take it all apart and then just pour it out, so that way you have a nice clean pool, pond, or waterfall, whatever you're utilizing it on. But if you're looking for a great like wet dry vac situation, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there's quite something that I haven't covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.